TheKiddleystudio.
Dear kids, today we will learn about various occupations and jobs. So let's start and explore with me.
Teacher helps students learn new things and grow by teaching subjects like math, science and reading.
Doctor. Take care of people when they're sick or hurt and help them stay healthy. Chef. What they do: cook delicious food in restaurants or at home and create new recipes. Artist. What they do: create paintings, drawings, and sculptures using imagination and creativity. Firefighter. What they do: help put out fires and rescue people from dangerous situations. Police officer. What they do: keep people safe by enforcing laws and helping out in emergencies. Builder construction worker. What they do: build and fix things like houses, schools, and bridges using tools and materials. Veterinarian. What they do: take care of animals, making sure they are healthy and happy. Musician. What they do: play instruments or sing to create music for people to enjoy. Scientist. What they do: conduct experiments and research to learn more about the world and make new discoveries. Pilot. What they do: fly airplanes or helicopters to transport people and goods to different places. Nurse. What they do: assist doctors and take care of patients in hospitals or clinics. Farmer. What they do: grow crops and raise animals to provide food and other products for people. Librarian. What they do: help people find and borrow books and keep the library organized. Engineer. What they do: design and build things like machines, bridges, and computers to solve problems. Fashion designer. What they do: create new clothing styles and designs for people to wear. Dentist. What they do: take care of people's teeth and help keep their mouths healthy. Zookeeper. What they do: take care of animals in zoos and ensure they are healthy and happy. Actor, actress. What they do: perform in movies, TV shows, or plays and bring stories to life. Photographer. What they do: take pictures of people, places, and events to capture special moments. Dancer. What they do: perform dances on stage or in performances, expressing stories and emotions through movement. Astronaut. What they do: travel into space to explore planets and conduct research about the universe. Car mechanic. What they do: fix and maintain cars to ensure they run smoothly and safely. Journalist reporter. What they do: write news stories and report on current events to keep people informed. Social worker. What they do: help people in their community by providing support and resources for those in need. Architect. What they do: design buildings and structures to ensure they are safe and functional. Baker. What they do: make bread, cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. Travel Guide. What they do: show visitors around interesting places and share information about the location. Lifeguard. What they do: watch over pools or beaches to keep swimmers safe and respond to emergencies. Event Planner. What they do: organize and plan events like parties, weddings, and meetings to make sure everything goes smoothly. Thank you for watching. See you soon.